Chapter 1. Intro. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. Air fryers have become one of the most popular kitchen appliances in recent years, promising faster cooking, healthier meals, and lower energy consumption compared to many traditional cooking methods. But with so many models available, it can be difficult to know which one is the best fit for your needs, your kitchen, and your family's expectations. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the Cosori Turbo Tower 10.8-liter Air Fryer Pro Smart. This isn't your typical air fryer. With its unique dual-stack design, generous cooking capacity, smart app connectivity, and promise of perfectly cooked food with minimal effort, Cosori is aiming to offer something a little different. But does the Turbo Tower actually deliver on those promises? How easy is it to use? Do the smart features add any real value? And most importantly, can it produce delicious meals that keep the whole family happy? That's exactly what we're going to find out. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's get started. Chapter 2. Disclaimer. Before we get started, a quick disclosure. Cosori kindly provided the Turbo Tower 10.8-liter Air Fryer Pro Smart for the purpose of this review. As always, receiving a product does not guarantee a positive review. Cosori has had no input into this video's content and has no influence over my opinions or conclusions. Everything you'll see in this video is based on my own experience using the air fryer in a real family kitchen. Chapter 3. Unboxing. Since the package was quite large and fairly heavy, I decided to unpack everything first and give you a proper look at what Cosori has included. Here is what you get inside: the Turbo Tower air fryer itself, the user manual, and a quick start guide to help you get started. Inside the top drawer, you'll find a crisper plate. And inside the bottom drawer, Cosori includes another crisper plate, along with a roasting rack, giving you extra versatility for different types of cooking. Now that we've gone through everything in the box, it is time to plug it in, power it up, and see what this air fryer can do. Chapter 4. Installation. Getting started is quick and straightforward. Simply place the air fryer on your kitchen worktop, make sure there is enough space around it for proper ventilation, and connect it to power. Next, download the VeSync app on your mobile device, available for both iOS and Android. Create an account if you don't already have one, then sign in. To add your new air fryer, tap Add Device. If the app automatically detects your smart air fryer, simply tap on it to continue. If it doesn't, manually select Cosori, then Air Fryer, and finally choose your model from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions. To put the air fryer into pairing mode, press and hold the power button until the Wi-Fi icon starts blinking. Wait for the device to connect. Then enter your Wi-Fi network name and password. Give it a moment to complete the setup. Once everything is ready, tap Finish. At this stage, you can also link it to Google Assistant if you like to control it with voice commands. It's also worth noting that while the VeSync app can be connected to Amazon Alexa, voice control for Cosori air fryers is currently not supported in the UK due to local safety regulations. Chapter 5. Review and Testing. Now it is time for the main event, putting the Cosori Turbo Tower 10.8-liter Air Fryer Pro to the test. Part 1. Build quality and features. Before we start cooking, let's take a closer look at the Cosori Turbo Tower itself. The first thing that stands out is its unique vertical dual-drawer design. Unlike many dual-basket air fryers, that take up a lot of horizontal space on your kitchen worktop. This tower-style layout keeps the footprint smaller, while still offering a generous 10.8-liter total capacity. When it comes to build quality, the unit feels solid, sturdy, and well-made. The main body has a strong construction. The drawers slide in and out smoothly, and everything feels secure with no rattling or loose parts. At the top, you get the smaller drawer, ideal for lighter meals, side dishes, or quick snacks. The larger bottom drawer gives you extra space for bigger portions and also includes an additional roasting rack for greater cooking flexibility. Both drawers feature ceramic-coated cooking surfaces, which should offer improved durability and make cleaning easier compared to standard non-stick coatings. Another interesting feature is the dual heating system in the larger drawer, designed to improve heat distribution and deliver more even cooking results. The control panel looks clean, feels responsive, and gives the whole unit a modern, premium appearance. It is also simple and intuitive to use, offering quick access to multiple cooking functions including air fry, roast, bake, grill, reheat, proof, and dry. And because this is the Pro model, you also get Wi-Fi connectivity through the VeSync app, allowing remote control, recipe browsing, and cooking notifications directly on your phone. On paper, it certainly looks impressive, but now it is time to see how it performs where it matters most. With real food. Part 2. Cooking Performance. Now for the fun part, cooking. For this test, we'll be trying a variety of foods to see how the Cosori Turbo Tower handles different cooking styles and portion sizes. One of the biggest advantages here is the ability to cook multiple foods at the same time using separate drawers with independent settings. This means you can prepare mains and sides together without mixing flavors or needing to cook everything at the same temperature. Since this is a brand new unit and hasn't been used yet, I'm going to start by giving both drawers and all the cooking components a quick wash before we begin. Everything is now washed, so let's dry it all off, load it up, put it to work, and see what kind of results we get. And this is where my wife steps in to help me, because when it comes to cooking, she definitely knows what she is doing. First, we're going with salmon in the top drawer. In the bottom drawer, we'll be cooking frozen fries and chicken nuggets. And now it is time to jump into the app and start setting everything up. Using the built-in cooking chart, we'll start with the seafood section and select salmon for zone 1. Using a 300-gram portion, the app suggests air fry 12 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius for the top drawer. That looks good. So let's cook it. Now for zone 2. Again, using the cooking chart, we'll head over to the frozen food section and choose chicken nuggets, using the same 300-gram portion as we did for the top drawer. The app suggests air fry 11 minutes at 195 degrees Celsius for the bottom drawer. That also looks good. So let's cook it. Since we want both dishes to be ready at the same time, we need to enable sync. Send the settings to the air fryer, and then press the start button on the device. The dish in the top drawer starts cooking straight away, while the bottom drawer waits to begin a little later, so both meals finish at the same time. You may have noticed that the app initially showed 11 minutes for zone 2, but later changed it to 9 minutes, and the air fryer also displayed 9 minutes instead of 11. Initially, it looked like an error, but it turns out it wasn't. The cooking time shown in the app includes a 2-minute preheat. When the settings are sent to the device with sync enabled and one of the dishes has to wait before starting, those 2 preheat minutes are automatically removed from the timer. It makes sense once you understand it, but at first, it can be a little confusing. And now, while the Turbo Tower does the hard work, all that's left for us to do is wait. So let's speed this up a little. Three minutes later, the bottom drawer kicks in and starts cooking the French fries and chicken nuggets. And now, everything is done. Let's see how the food turned out. The salmon looks perfectly cooked. The chicken nuggets and fries look great as well. And most importantly, everything tasted really good. Next, we're going to try baking some Portuguese bread using the manual settings. The dough is ready, so let's place it into the bottom drawer. This time, I'm setting the temperature to 190 degrees Celsius and the timer to 20 minutes, and off we go. "20 minutes later, the bread is ready. It looks really nice. It is still too hot to taste right now, so I'll give it a try a little later. So far, the results have been very promising. From the salmon and frozen foods to freshly baked bread, the Cosori Turbo Tower has handled everything really well. Part 3. Cleaning and maintenance. And finally, once the cooking is done, it is time for one last test. Cleaning. Because no matter how good an air fryer performs, if it is difficult to clean, that can quickly become a deal breaker. As with any air fryer, it is important to clean the baskets and plates after every use, to keep everything in good condition and ready for the next meal. Before cleaning, make sure to turn off and unplug the air fryer. Allow it to cool down completely first. Removing the baskets can help speed up the cooling process. The good news is that both the baskets and crisper plates are dishwasher safe, making cleanup much easier. If needed, you can wipe the outside of the air fryer with a moist cloth. For the inside, use a slightly moist non-abrasive sponge or cloth to remove any grease or food residue. Just remember, never immerse the main unit in water. From my testing, cleaning was actually one of the highlights here. The ceramic-coated surfaces do a really good job of preventing food from sticking, which makes washing up much easier compared to some other air fryers I've used. And honestly, that is something you really appreciate when cooking every day. Chapter 6. Conclusion. So, after spending some time testing the Cosori Turbo Tower 10.8-liter Air Fryer Pro, it is time for my final thoughts. Overall, I have to say that this air fryer left a very positive impression on me. What stood out the most during testing was how practical the whole setup feels in everyday use. The vertical tower design turned out to be much more useful than I expected, especially because it saves a significant amount of kitchen worktop space compared to traditional horizontal air fryers. Cooking performance was also very impressive. The food came out evenly cooked and crispy where it needed to be. Having two separate drawers also made preparing complete meals much easier and far more convenient. Being able to cook multiple dishes at the same time, with different temperatures and cooking times, is a huge convenience. The sync mode is one of my favorite features, making sure both drawers finish cooking at the same time, which is incredibly useful when preparing meals for the whole family. The ceramic-coated cooking surfaces were another pleasant surprise. Compared to my old Very Good Ninja air fryer, this feels like a much better non-stick solution. Cleaning is noticeably easier and quicker, which makes a big difference when using an air fryer every day. The smart features also work really well. The VeSync app makes setup simple, provides access to a wide range of recipes, and allows you to control the air fryer remotely, adding another layer of convenience. That said, there are a few things I would like to see improved. The way preheating is handled in sync mode can be slightly confusing at first, when the timer changes. A small viewing window would also be a great addition, allowing you to check the cooking progress without having to open the drawer and interrupt the process. For beginners, I think the app could also provide better step-by-step preparation guidance before cooking, not just the cooking settings themselves. For someone like me, who isn't exactly a kitchen expert, that extra guidance would be genuinely helpful. So, would I recommend it? If you're looking for a smart, family-sized air fryer that saves space, cooks really well, and is easy to clean, then yes, absolutely, it is a well-thought-out product with some genuinely useful features. And overall, I think Cosori has done a great job with this one. Chapter 7. Thank you. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you found this review of the Cosori Turbo Tower Air Fryer Pro helpful, and that it gave you a clear idea of what this model has to offer. A big thank you to all of you for watching and supporting the channel. It really means a lot to me, and I genuinely appreciate every view, every comment, and every like. And of course, a huge thank you to Cosori for giving me the opportunity to review this product and share my experience with all of you. If you enjoyed this video, found it useful, or have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below. I always enjoy reading your thoughts and answering your questions. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, as it really helps support the channel and allows me to keep bringing you more reviews, tutorials, and smart tech content. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cook smarter. Eat better. And let the air fryer do the work.